Hello everybody and welcome back to Super Tech Services. Just a quick question for you. Are you trying to scan 1 or 2 documents and it's working fine, but scanning 10 or 15 or so just airs out and doesn't work? I have a couple settings here that might help you with that. Just hit the home button and then scan in fax here on the screen. And let's start with resolution here at the bottom. Now typically this is set to 600 or 400 dpi, which increases the file size. What we want to do is drop that down to 200 or 300 and then try and scan again. If that still doesn't work, go under color where we see auto color, full color, and black. It's typically set to auto color or full color. Go ahead and change that to black, and in combination with the DPI lowered, try and scan again. If that still doesn't work, go ahead under file type PDF, and on the right here select compact PDF. This compresses the file size and should allow you to scan multiple documents. Those settings should definitely work for you. I'm just going to show you 2 more settings that have nothing to do with reducing file size but can be pretty cool. We have scan size here, which I usually leave on auto, but you have the option to change it if you'd like. And we have file name. This allows you to change the name of the file you're scanning, which could also be a really cool feature. And that's it for the video today, guys. Once again, if you can scan 1 or 2 documents, fine, but 10, 15 or so does not work, try these settings and they should definitely help you out. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.